Hey yo, what's good with y'all? Today I'll be unboxing the Supreme Vans Skull Pile. The design was inspired by Juicy J's Stay Fly video. He was wearing a black shirt with green skulls. Supreme took that idea and put it on some Vans. I think these Vans are pretty dope, and I think I'm going to keep them. I got these from Supreme LA with tax included. I believe they were like 120 or 130. I scored a place in line with Supreme's line raffle, and I got placed at 237. But anyway, here's the unboxing. Thank you.